Hello. Hi.
So stupid.
I think we fight over who says first.
Yeah.
Hi.
Okay. Hi. Hi, ladies. Excited to show you some cut loose pieces for the summer linen.
So we have pretty much the same outfits, just in different colors.
Yeah.
And I've tied my little linen knit cardie up here, so you can see how you can play with the cardigan.
I love that look. It's great.
Yeah, it's cute, eh?
It's
yeah.
cute.
And it's nice to have that A-line come out. I
yeah.
find it flattering to have your waist, your smallest
Yeah.
part. And you can tie it up if you like more,
Yeah.
and then you can also leave it open. So this is a linen knit. It has got some spandex in it. It's so beautiful and luxurious. It looks amazing on you, that color.
Yeah, and you know what too, when it's really hot, hard to imagine now, but we will get those days again. It will be so cool because it's the linen, right?
Yeah.
And you have a little cover up, which is so nice for your arms.
And what's so nice about the Cut Loose brand is all their linens are pre-washed, so you don't have to worry about shrinkage at all.
No.
So just machine wash cold, hang to dry, which we always suggest. I actually had a little talk with a customer the other day who uses fabric softener, and it actually sort of, I don't want to say it ruins, but it definitely takes a toll on your fabrics.
Yeah.
Fabric softener is just for towels and bedding. Please don't use it on your treasured garments because it will take the elasticity out of your knits, and it'll just break down the fabric.
Yeah, the garment completely loses its shape. In your dispenser, which we have for soap, and then there's a little bleach and a little fabric dispenser, put a little bit of vinegar in, because it
with
keeps
your linens, right?
all your clothing.
Everything?
Everything.
Oh, okay, even knits?
Yeah.
And just white vinegar?
Just white household vinegar. What it does is it sets the color, so your black stays black and your colors stay bright.
How come you never told me this before?
I have told you, this is the secret for the Dutch people. It eliminates the calcium in your washing machine, so it's also a longevity for. So this is the scoop. Inside out your garments. If you can cool wash, we also use way too much detergent, like half the recommendation that it says on the package, because it's commercial, right? They want to sell you.
Sorry, I just want to make a note because I use what she uses now, Percel, and it smells so good. I love it.
Yeah,
and I do half of what is asked.
Yeah, and then do a little bit of vinegar and fabric softener, hang to dry. I have some items with the linen too. Sometimes it comes hang to dry. It becomes a little hard,
crispy.
Yeah, crispy. So put it in your fluff dryer cycle,
but also,
with no heat.
With no heat, yeah, just air dry. But also, once you start to wear it again, within 10 minutes, that crustiness, I shouldn't say crustiness, crunchiness from the linen, it just eases right up again.
Yeah.
So. But that we just wanted to make a note about that with the washing. And what's also great with our clothing line, and Cut Loose, of course, because it's pre-washed, but our clothing line as well, it's all machine washable. It's very important to us as designers to purchase fabrics that are machine washable and that wear well and last long, and you don't need to use a dry cleaner. Actually, dry cleaners are actually it's not so great for
the environment.
Well, for the environment and for the clothing.
It's expensive too. It adds up.
So, anyways, we can go on and on about that.
So this is a segment about washing.
There you go.
Washing your clothing. But anyway, I think we look pretty summery and snazzy, and I can't wait actually to start wearing it. It will be a while, but it's nice to have it in your closet and kind of dream.
But I just wanted to mention this linen from Cut Loose. It's called a cross-hatch linen, meaning that it has black in every color, it's stitched in, woven in, of course. And so this is blue with black, and this is the laundered, so it's almost like a white with black. So we're wearing the flowy
Yeah, we should take
the flowy
cardigan
tank,
off.
which is a great silhouette for a lot of women, pear-shaped women especially.
Yeah,
it's got a
it's
nice
beautiful.
flow A-line here, cute little open detail on the
And I
side.
love the neckline. It's gorgeous.
It's great.
Yeah.
It's got a little V here.
Yeah.
I'm wearing a medium, which is generous and it feels good. It's got a nice drape to it. And Lousje has on an extra small.
Yeah, which is good, right? I love the slits.
And the hemline here too, which is
Yeah.
awesome. That thicker
Yeah.
hemline.
Yeah.
It just hangs nicely.
It gives
and
it
it's got
the
a
weight.
little, yeah. The pants. These are the ruched linens. So
Talk
cute.
about comfort. Key is with the elasticized waist to always wear something quite substantial longer over top, just to give it that slimming effect, to get rid of the wrinkles that the elastic creates.
And we also have on our Siriglio necklaces to match.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah.
I hope you liked it. I hope you're thinking sunny thoughts, and keep smiling, ladies.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Have a great day. Bye.